All right, Ruby, looks like we got an email here from the Easter Bunny. And apparently, the Easter Bunny, in conjunction with some of our manufacturers, has put together a little Easter egg hunt. And inside each one of the Easter eggs are different products that they want us to promote. It looks like we're going on an Easter egg hunt. And look, you're wearing the perfect outfit. Let's go. Good job. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see what we got from the Easter Bunny. Bridgeport Fittings. 38 ASP, which is their easy lock. Mighty Hope universal strap. And there's another sample. Awesome. What do you give us this time? Oh, Terminators from our friends at NSI and Warrior Wrap. It's your favorite, Rube. It's your favorite tape and your favorite connectors. Okay, come on. There you go. Easter Bunny get us this time. Look at that. The brand new Easy Link from our friends at Eaton Wiring Devices. Got the plugins, got the tails, and the device. Pretty awesome. Brand spanking new. Look, oh, there's another one. Oh, there you go. All right, what did they bring us this time? Look at that. Connectors from our friends at NSI, the Polaris connectors. We have the clear jackets, the IPLD2s, the IPLDs in the black jacket. Oh, there's one more. Oh, good job. And the Easter Bunny left treats too. That was pretty slick. Look at that, Ruby. The new Slim GFCI from our friends at Eaton Wiring Devices. Lower profile means more room in the box for the electrician to get their work done. The best for last. The brand new Hammerhead connector from our friends at Harger. Right to the top of the ground rod. Instant permanent connection. Put it on top of the ground rod, hit it with a hammer. You're good to go. Thank you, Easter Bunny.